Top 5. Atom shape round. Dial window material tab anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog. Case material high intensity titanium. Case diameter 41 mm. Case thickness 12.5 mm. Water resistant depth is 100 meter. Movement mechanical spring drive. Top 4. Case material 18K yellow gold. Box shaped sapphire crystal watch. Water resistant depth is 10 bar. Band material crocodile leather. Case diameter 40 mm. Band material crocodile leather. Top second hand function. Magnetic resistance watch. Movement type automatic with manual winding. Case thickness 11.7 mm. Date display function. Top 3. Water resistance is 3 bar. Case diameter 38.5 mm. Crocodile leather strap. Magnetic resistance is 4800 am. Folding cloth with push button deployment. Case thickness 9.8 mm. Gorgeous dial watch. The watch is great at this price point. Top 2. Power reserve approximate 72 hours. Water resistance is splash resistant. Weight is 92 gram. $18K yellow gold clasp. Magnetic resistance equipped. Power reserve function. Screw case back, see-through case back. Top second hand function. Top 1. 72-hour power reserve. Unique pure white snowflake design dial. See-through case back. Water resistant depth is 100 meter.